Let's learn the alphabet. Letter A. A is for big red apple. I am the letter B. B is for ball. C is for cat. Can you say dog? D is for dog. E is for elephant. This is a big elephant. Is for frog. Ribbit.
I am the letter G.
And I am a goat.
G is for goat.
Hey, that tastes like candy. This is the letter H. H is for hen. Look at her cute little chicks. I is for insects. Amazing insects.
And J is for Joker.
Behold, I am the king of all the letters.
Lion. M is for monkey. Monkey loves bananas. Letter N stands for nurse. Let us make sure our giant friend is feeling healthy. Perfect and being helpful. O is for orange. An orange, orange, an orange, orange. This is the letter P. P! P is for a proud peacock.
Quack, 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 quack.
Q is for quack. R is for rabbit. Let's run and play. I will always float with you
Underneath the moon so true.
U is for umbrella. Look at the letter V. V is for van. V is for van. The letter W. W is for watermelon. It is so sweet and delicious. Meet the letter X. X is for xylophone. The letter Y is for yak. Can you say yak? Can you say yak? Z is for zebra.